In this demonstration, we're going to show you how to copy a document in Sage 50 Accounts from one company to another. So that could be an invoice layout or a report that you've designed. In Sage 50 Accounts, you'll need to navigate to the report browser so that you can see your report or layout. In this example, we're going to choose a statement layout. So you right click it, and from the menu you choose Show in Explorer. This opens an Explorer window and we just right click the layout. And from the menu you choose Copy. You then close the window, close the browser, and then we need to switch to the company that we want to copy it across to. So we open the File menu, choose Open, and then Open Company Data. We'll click Yes to close the other windows, select the relevant company and then click Open Company. You'll then need to log in and then browse to the same area in this company. So in this example, Customers, Statements, and then we'll select the Layouts folder. You now right click on any layout, choose Show in Explorer, and then if you right click on a blank part of the window, and then from the menu choose Paste. This pastes in the layout that we copied and we can just close out of the window. If you can't see the layout listed, just close out of that screen and then open it up again. We'll choose Layouts and it should now be included in the list. So if we just scroll down to the bottom of the list, and there it is listed. So we've now managed to copy it from one company to another. If you've customized a report in one company, it's worth noting that it might already be available in your other company. And there's a setting that controls this. To check this setting, we'll need to close out of the browser, and then from the Settings menu, you choose Company Preferences. We'll click Yes to close the other windows. You'll then need to log in, and then click the Reporting tab. You now need to check the Use Data Path for Reports setting. If the checkbox is clear, all of your Sage Accounts companies share the same set of reports, and this means that if you've customized a report, it's automatically available in each company. If the checkbox is selected, you should follow the steps to copy the report between companies.